What's the meme right now? Sheesh. Did I sheesh correctly there? Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Hi guys, over here we'll talk about Efncy's build. We're up late today to get this done for Efncy. So we're kicking butt today. So let's talk about today's build. Let's talk about Efncy's build. It's kind of like a building show. It's something we typically do in our discords, but we're like, let's stream it. You know what I mean? It's a really nice system. It's a 3090 build. Put up here on the on the channel. So guys, welcome in. Today's build for Efncy. His system's like kind of tanking right now, so we're gonna get this out to him as soon as we can. It's one of our Stince Built Partners. It's a Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core CPU from Ryzen. We're pairing this with the Kraken Z73 Cooler. Run this all in the beautiful, tough X570 Pro, not the Plus, it's the X570 Pro. For RAM or for the storage, we've got a 1TB Samsung 980 NVMe 4 drive with a crucial P2 NVMe as well for secondary storage. We're using the GSkill Trident Z 3600 megahertz CL14 RAM, so some really high RAM there. And then we've got an RTX 3090 from EVGA going in. We're putting it all in the PureBase 500DX, and then we've got some braided cables, and we're powering it with the EVGA G2 Platinum power supply to give all that power. Oh my goodness, this is a monster, guys. This is a monster for Efncy. And Schmo's back here. Hey, Schmo, you guys want a Schmo cam or do you want a cable management cam? You want cable management cam or do you want a Schmo cam today? Chat, what do you want? AJ, I know what you're going to say.
I don't think I'm allowed to answer.
Yeah. Where's your Schmo cam? Schmo cam? Alright, there we go. We got Schmo cam today. So this is Efncy's build. It's not really like, it's going to look sharp, it's going to look clean, it's going to look nice. Honestly, it's gonna be more about performance. So like we opted for the X570 Tough Pro. It's a really good motherboard. It's not like a crazy overkill looking like Strix or anything like that. It has just really good performance. So we're gonna tie that with a 5900X and 3090. He's playing at 1440 and he wants the highest frame rates. These are gonna help get him where he wants to be. He's a Stince Built partner. His PC is kind of crapping out on him right now, so we're expediting this build. I'm expediting this build. I'm staying late to help build this for him. It's out of my work hours typically for building, but we're getting this done for him so he can get back on his feet. Yeah, we're doing a 1TB main, and then we're doing a 2TB secondary for the NVMe's. Yeah, I mean, the NVMe's are just nice. They're speedy. They're honestly not that much more now than old school SSDs in terms of the speeds. That's why we went with these. What are you doing back there?
I got butter on my finger.
Butter on your fingers.
I'm eating popcorn.
He's kidding. He's kidding, chat. $3600 megahertz CL14. Some speedy RAM. Alright, there we go. Board built. Time to pull out the case. More PureBase. Yeah, we love the PureBase. One of my favorite cases. Honestly, it's really hard to beat right now. He's looking. I mean, he's not looking for crazy RGB. He's got nice RGB in there, you know. It'll look good, and then obviously performance. The performance of the system is really a deal. So it's a good case, good airflow, especially for the specs of what he has. What's going in here? That's a big thing when you pick this case. It's really good airflow. It's compact. You don't want anything too crazy. RGB. He just wants sends me power. So alright, let's do it. Let's do the PureBase, let's do the 3090, let's do the 5900X, and it's hard to beat that for raw power now. Can we put RGB in the front of these fans or no? No, we're gonna just put a rear RGB fan. Yeah, I put a squall on the back. That'd be pretty cool. Can we do that? Put a squall fan on the back. And one RGB fan, one of the two strips in the front, and then one on the back. It looked pretty nice. We'll do that for him. Kind of cruise through this build, like a kind of a faster build, but get to hang out with us on a Thursday afternoon. Good thing. A bad hard drive and a desktop I want to replace with my son's hard drive and his computer. Is it viable? Potentially. It depends on the type of hard drive, things like that of that nature. Yep. Depends on the hard drive. Is it SATA? Is it SSD? Is it NVMe? A lot of variables of that. Technically, most of them are compilable unless it's one of the newer NVMe's, and then you might have some issues if let's say your motherboard doesn't have it and his does, things like that. But that'd be something that definitely, if you don't know what you're doing there, you either find a really good tutorial or bring it to a professional. On top of that, his hard drive that he's using, is it no longer to be used? Are you going to delete the partition on there for his Windows? A lot of things you have to bring into play. If you have questions like that on tech support, we do have a tech support team that can walk you through it. If you go to our website, or I don't know if we have a command yet for support. We're going to add those soon. Roddy's going to be doing more tech support for people who are looking for help with systems that aren't necessarily a Stince Built system that might have like startup questions, things like that. But we'll be offering those services soon. They will do sleeper builds. Yeah, Pastor, this is kind of like a sleeper build. This is a little bit of RGB. This is definitely a sleeper. I mean, let's read the stuff on the side. It's not super flashy. Got a little bit of RGB in the cooler, RGB in the RAM, and then RGB in the front, and then a little bit on the card. It's not crazy, so, but yeah, we definitely can. We have a fan. We have to put one more fan in, one more rear fan, and we put the graphics card in and run the front cables. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Power supply out. We're using the EVGA P2. This thing is a honker. This thing is massive. Massive. Oh, you have awesome power for this beastly setup. I would wish the cable unboxing like the account from Sesame Street. I used to do that, and people they're like, stop. I was like, okay. I used to do that. We're working on an emote for it. So I used to do it all the time. I know this was a last minute build stream today, but we want to stream this for Efncy because it's gonna be. And then you can look back at it and be like, man, that's a beast. That's Stince Built. Whew. Or what's the meme right now? Sheesh. Like that? Is that what it is? Is it sheesh? Is that the meme right now? Did I sheesh correctly there? All the cool kids, yeah. Like QL Corsair fans, does it need a Commander Pro? It does not, no. So the Corsair QL fans, you can run them 6 fans off a single node and power it through USB. The Commander Pro is if you're going to run more than those fans, you're going to run a different AI. You're going to run a bunch of other things too with it. Let's say like NZXT AIO that's utilizing USB. That's why you want the Commander Pro. If you're running a lot of fans and you're actually going to lose USB connection, that's when you definitely want to run utilize the Commander Pro, because it'll take one USB hookup to run that, and then you're golden. All right, we have a rear fan. I'm just gonna put a PWM fan in here. I was thinking about putting a squaw fan, but really, tough for the RGB. Let's see if we can do it. I don't know if we can just reach it.
Just stick with the 140s. I love those.
Yeah, I don't think the squaw's gonna be good in there. Let me do the 140. Yeah. Do the 140. Do the 140. Call it a day. But more about power and performance in this one versus all the RGBs. All the RGBs. Gonna put the top fans in and wired. Rear fan's gonna get wired, and then we gotta put the graphics card in. We're doing really good. Look at this. This is thick. Guys, RTX thick. This is. Whew.
Oh my, it's so massive.
This is the top of the line 3090 right here. Okay. There's this and the Strix, bar none. Maybe the Gaming X. Yeah, but mostly EVGA FTW3, probably followed by the Strix in terms of performance.
I think the Kingpin might be a little better.
The King. Oh, I mean, well, if you're like liquid cool stuff like that, yeah, but some other things. But if you're talking air cooled, right out the box, ready to go, it's just in the Strix. This thing's heavy. This thing's This thing's girthy. Look at the size of it. Can we? I have a big head, okay? I have a schnoggin. This thing is... Dude, look at the size. And we put 3080s in here, and they're still like 2 or 3 inches over here. This thing is massive. Thick. It's actually, this board's got a really good GPU support. Like, there's not a lot of movement in it. Not a lot of movement at all. Like a card that heavy, that big, impressive. Asus has always had really good, really good GPU support in their PCI lanes. Bring it over. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, Shmo. Come on, Shmo.
Stay here.
Come on, Shmo. Come on, Shmo. Put it right here.
I don't even know if it works first. Let me plug it in. See if
No,
it works.
bring it. We're not gonna plug it in. Bring it over here. Let's take a look at it. I want people to see the count. You do awesome work. I want people to see it. Bring it over.
Then people start requesting me, and I'll be here for even more.
Come on.
Don't want to work this long.
Don't drop it.
Trying to retire early.
Try to
in the
retire.
next 20 days.
You Shmo built. You know what I mean? Let's see it. Here we go. A little close up action. Yeah, I can't see it here really. Look at that. Nice and clean. Look at that little schmozy built. That's good. Yeah, see? Nothing but the best, guys. See that? Nothing but the best.
Except for this little cord right here.
You gotta run it. That's the only thing you have to.
And it's
but...
too short. So.
Told you. Told you Shmo does buttes. I wouldn't let him build if he couldn't. You guys know me, I'm anal about how everything looks. I want it to look good. Alright, here's F's. F's is all done. We're gonna get ready to light her up. You can see that. I gotta pull the there we go. A lot of cable, all the ready cables, everything, gotta put everything off. We're good. A lot of braided cables, they're all up the middle there. Alright guys, you guys ready? Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.